Hi! In front of me is BLACKVIEW Tab 12, and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to Access System. Then select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Keyboard. Lastly, just click on Text Correction, scroll down and tap on this switcher next to Autocorrection. This way you're turned off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!